If the slider has come off your zipper completely and the old slider is damaged, you may need to get a new slider at a craft store. To put the new slider on, use pliers to remove the teeth from the top of the zipper on the side where the slider was attached. Pull off enough teeth to expose about 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.6 centimeters of fabric. Work the new slider down over the exposed fabric and onto the teeth. Pull the zipper taut on either side of the slider until you feel it pop into place. Test the zipper with the new pull to make sure it works. You may need to add a new top stop or square tab to the top or bottom of the zipper to keep the slider from coming off again. You can buy these at craft stores and install them easily with pliers.